Need to ship freight for a customer? Hi, I'm George from Magaya. Watch this video on creating an ocean export shipment. Let's go. To show you an example of how this works, I'll build a shipment for two customers, both exporting out of Houston, Texas to Lagos, Nigeria. One customer has one container full of vehicles, and the other customer has a container full of machinery replacement parts. In Magaya, your outgoing shipments folder will look something like this when you're done with these steps. You'll have your top level for the master, a list of documents you selected, and then one house for each customer. You can rename these and change the order by right-clicking. You can also define your own shipment numbering in the configuration menu. You can create shipment transactions in different ways in the software, depending on your needs. For example, you can use the Shipment Wizards. Go to File, New, or right-click on a shipment or a shipment folder to create a new blank shipment. You can also convert an existing quotation or booking into a shipment, or you can create a consolidation from a trip. There's even an option to receive shipping instructions from your customers online in LiveTrack, the 24/7 interactive portal. Let's use the wizard to see how it walks you through these steps. I'm using the Consolidation Wizard because it will create the master and houses and documentation for each. It can be used for full container loads or for less than container loads. This other export option is for a straight or direct shipment of only one house. Did you know? The software can also consolidate cargo from different customers into one container. See our other video on consolidations for those steps. On the first screen in the wizard, called General Information, is the master shipment number, also known as your file number. This is generated automatically based on your configuration settings. Enter the shipping line's bill of lading number if you have it, or enter it later. The dates are automatically filled in and can be changed. Type in a general description of the cargo or select from your clauses list. Click this settings button to change the measurement units or how the documents are filled out. Next, select the entities who are involved in the master shipment. The shipper and the forwarding agent fields are filled in automatically. The destination agent and consignee are usually the same entity on the master. Select the destination agent who will handle the charges. The fields on the routing screen apply to the master shipment. Select the service type and the origin and destination details such as the port of loading, exporting carrier, vessel information, and port of unloading. Enter what you need. Now add your master documents, such as the master bill of lading and cargo manifest. This is the place to enter the cargo. There are a lot of options here. For example, freight forwarders can load items from existing warehouse receipts, and NVOCCs can select a container from a previous pickup order. If you have the container, select it. The houses can be grouped by warehouse receipt, by shipper, by consignee, or by pairs of shipper and consignees together. If you need to add a house for something that is not in the warehouse, tell the wizard to create as many additional houses as you need. On the next screen, the repack option can be used to add a container, if you don't have one, and pack loose items inside. Or you can skip this. Select the documents you want for each house, such as a house bill of lading and a packing list. Then select the folder to save the shipment data. The last screen is a summary of the shipment to review. You can go back to make changes or click Finish when you're ready. Now, take a look at all the details that the software transferred into your documents and screens for you. See each container on each house. Did you know the software can create as many houses as you need and do it quickly? In these screens, you can make changes or add charges. See our other video on shipment accounting and liquidation, including profit sharing with agents. Also, see the knowledge base article, Shipment Charges. And with the toolbar, you can add other documents, view the profit, send the information to US Customs, get cargo insurance, verify the packing list, and more. To add the containers to the shipment, use the Load button in the shipment's cargo toolbar. Here, you can also add or unload items or repack items inside a container. From the software's main toolbar, you can email it or send the shipment through the Magaya network to an agent or entity who also has Magaya software, so they'll receive it as exactly the same format. No retyping. Finally, print the shipment documents all at once by selecting the master and clicking the Print button to open the Batch Printing Wizard. This also works for houses. Want to notify your customer that the shipment transaction is ready? Every detail is available in LiveTrack Web, the app, or by email, and notifications can be automated. Each document will print on the printer you set up, and it can print copies for the different entities involved, such as each house's shipper and consignee. The types of copies are defined on the document properties when using the document designer. Call our support team with questions. You can also add your terms and conditions on the back. As you can see, there's a lot of flexibility and time savings from automated features. Be sure to check out our other videos such as the shipment list and see the knowledge base for step-by-step articles to help you use the software fully. Thank you for watching.